It is the process issued by the court after conviction to carry out the final judgment. A. Alias warrant. B. Mittimus. C. Diversionary disposition. D. Indictment. Answer B. Mittimus. Prisoners are allowed special time allowance for loyalty, which is deduction of the period of his sentence. A. 1/5. B. 1/3. C. 1/4. D. 1/6. Answer A. 1/5. All of the following except one, when lawfully justified, grants time allowances. A. Director of the Bureau of Corrections. B. Chief of the BGMP. C. DILG Secretary. D. Warden of a provincial jail. Answer C. DILG Secretary. The indeterminate sentence law shall not apply to the following persons except one. A. Those sentenced to death. B. Those convicted of piracy. C. Those convicted of homicide. D. Those who are habitual delinquents. Answer C. Those convicted of homicide. Indeterminate sentence is mandatory where imprisonment would exceed A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 6 years. Answer A. 1 year. All of the following except one are kinds of partial extinction of criminal liability. A. Conditional pardon. B. Reprieve. C. Commutation of sentence. D. Good conduct allowance. Answer B. Reprieve. Is the loss or forfeiture of the right of the state to prosecute the offender after the lapse of a certain time. A. Prescription of penalty. B. Prescription of crime. C. Service of sentence. D. None of the above. Answer B. Prescription of crime. When the crime prescribes, the state loses the right to prosecute. The crime of libel prescribed in A. 2 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. D. 10 years. Answer C. 1 year. The prescription of crime of the offenses of oral defamation and slander by deed is A. 2 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. D. 10 years. Answer B. 6 months. Under the revised penal code, the prescription of crime for light offenses is A. 2 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. D. 10 years. Answer A. 2 months.